When you create or manipulate a dart, you will need to do the dart intake. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the True Dart tool, which is provided in Valentina. This is the basic back borders, and I'm going to show you how you do it on the waist darts. As you can see, I've labeled each point here, so to give you a better understanding of how you use this tool if you have not used this tool. Click on Operations, and this is the tool that you will use. If you hover over it, it shows you True Dart. So you select that tool, and at the bottom, if you notice here, it says select the first baseline point. So the first baseline point will be this point here at the beginning, that's in the center back line, and at the end of your waistline. Okay, that will be your second baseline point. And then it tells you, once you selected that, then it tells you here at the bottom here, select the first dart point. So your first dart point is going to be, this is your first dart leg. So you click onto the first dart point, and then it asks you to select the second dart point. So the second dart point is this point, and then you select the third dart point, and the third dart point will be your third leg. This is your third leg on the right hand side, and you click that, and automatically you see there's two other dots that has been formed at the bottom. So that is your new dart point. Now you can go on to the line tool. You select your line, and you're going to redraw your new dart. And this is your waistline to this new point here. And then you're going to click L to continue using the same tool. You press L, and then I'm going to go to the second dart point here, and then I'm going to press L again, and I'm going to go down to the new dart point that is being formed at the bottom here. And then I'm going to go L again, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click at the end of the waistline to complete the drawing of your new dart. Now you will note that your dart has been recreated in an angle here. So when you close the dart, then it's going to give you a better shape and foot of your dart. So these are the lines that is going to be redundant. That's going to be, I'll just take that line away, and this line here. And there's your new dart. That is how it is done.